Hey Russia. Do you want to hang out with me after school since you are no longer grounded?
Суре. Мэт 4 кладхисов торнадон.
Attention students. This is your principal, Mr. Eric. Today at 9:30 a.m. we will have a statewide tornado drill. Be calm and quiet while the tornado drill is in session. If not, you will be in big trouble and you will be sent to my office because this is severe weather safety precaution. Have a nice day of learning.
Have a learning.
What are you talking about? It's just a drill.
It's Kintav Harabov to explain. В Ханеливетен Москав Август 7 2005, АЛРГФ 4 Струтхакитяров Москав, Ант и вас Кеанг, Ант и вас Саскарет. И Хавафарав Торнадо Вакхесан Торнадо Warnings. Even Tornado Drills.
Just. Oh. I got to get to class. Goodbye.
9:30 a.m.
Okay class. It's time for science. Please get out your science books.
Attention students, teachers, and staff. It's time for the tornado drill. We are now under a tornado watch. I will be back on the intercom to issue a tornado warning for shortly. And students, don't be alarmed. This is only a drill. I will be back on the intercom very shortly.
Don't worry students. This is only a tornado drill. When Mr. Eric comes back on intercom and issue a tornado warning, we will go to the hallway and bend down on our knees, and cover our head with our hands.
Plus again that tornado drill. Where are going to do?
3 minutes later.
Attention students, teachers, and staff. We are now under a tornado warning. Please go to the hallway and bend down on your knees and cover your head with your hands and act like this was real.
Okay everyone, come with me to the hallway and bend down on your knees and cover your head with your hands and act like this was a real tornado warning.
Има бик скорбдякат. Виражде от вхуа.
Russia, shut up and stop acting insane.
Where going to do?
Russia, quit running around the hallway. Cover your head with your hands and shut the heck up now, or after the tornado drill go to the principal's office.
Help Methure is ALRGF 4 Tornado. Help me, you want out.
Russia, stop banging on that exit door and bend down on your knees and cover your head with your hands. Right now.
Yeah. Infre. Salang suiters.
Russia, get back in the school building right now and cover your head with your hands, or after the tornado drill you will go to the principal's office. That's it.
Attention students, teachers, and staff. The tornado drill is over. You may now return to your regular schedule. And Russia, report to my office. Now.
Ах, crap.
Russia, do you know why I called you in my office?
Nothing.
Wrong. Our cameras caught you escaping the drill and running around the hallway and leaving the school building.
Buti.
No excuses. That was very disrespectful. You would act like that in a real tornado warning, would you? That's it. You are getting a white slip. Me and your teacher Mr. Dallas are very disappointed in you right now for disrespecting the tornado drill. Go home now.
Na 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 na. Анят хинг бутав хите слип.
Oh, you got a white slip. Huh. Let us see the white slip. Oh 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 Russia. We can't believe you disrespected the school tornado drill at school and got suspended for 9 days. That's it. You are grounded for 7 days.
Now go upstairs to your room now.
와.